Do it again, so same answers.
Same answers.
This is Ron from the Glastonbury store. We're in our house. It's a couple days after Thanksgiving, and I wanted to introduce you to Denise and her family. Some of you know Denise. There she is. Those who never saw her, she's gorgeous. That's her terrific husband, Eric, and their two great boys. Zachary is 3, Joseph is 5, and did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
You
You have
did?
fun, Zach?
Zach, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Zach's shirt says I'm the boss, and sometimes he is. Joseph, whose meatballs are the best? Your mother's or Grandpa's? Both of you. You are always diplomatic. So, did you have fun?
Yes. Yeah.
And Mommy,
Sit up.
Denise, did you have fun?
I did. Yep. Always good to see everybody, for sure.
Cool. And Eric, did you have fun?
Loved it.
Okay, we
great.
love having you. We love the family. We love Eric like he's our own son. He's a good
Thank you.
man. I knew him before Denise knew him, and I always respected him. He's a good dad, and he's a good husband. And we thank you for watching this short video. We love sharing our family with you, and we hope you had yourself and your family had a good holiday. Thank you.